Why is protection of civilians important in armed conflict? In recent news, the protection of civilians in armed conflict has become a pressing issue. As conflicts escalate around the world, many are asking why safeguarding civilians is so vital. Just yesterday, reports highlighted the ongoing violence in Sudan, where civilians are suffering immensely. This situation brings to light the importance of international humanitarian law, particularly the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict. These legal frameworks exist to shield those not participating in hostilities from violence and suffering. International humanitarian law binds all parties involved in a conflict, including individual members of armed forces. It mandates that every effort must be made to avoid harming civilians and their property. While accidents can occur in war, targeting civilians intentionally is a serious violation and classified as a war crime. The law aims to prevent such abuses and ensure that civilians' basic rights are respected, even amid chaos. Recent events in Sudan illustrate the urgent need for these protections. Civilians are often directly attacked, and humanitarian aid is obstructed by warring factions. In April 2025, the Rapid Support Forces captured a camp for internally displaced persons, resulting in mass displacement and numerous civilian casualties. Such actions highlight the necessity for rules that protect civilians from harm. Civilians in conflict zones also face threats like forced recruitment by armed groups. Many resort to fleeing, hiding, or forming community defenses to avoid being drawn into fighting. These actions show the resilience of civilians but also underline the need for international law to deter armed groups from targeting them. Humanitarian organizations, such as the International Committee of the Red Cross, operate in over 100 countries to assist those affected by war. In 2024, the number of armed conflicts worldwide had more than doubled in 15 years, increasing the demand for protection and aid. The disregard for international humanitarian law leads to greater suffering, trapping generations in cycles of violence. Protecting civilians is not just a legal requirement, it is a moral responsibility. The rules of war exist to uphold human dignity and alleviate suffering. When these rules are ignored, the consequences for civilians can be devastating, as seen in recent conflicts. International humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions, provides a framework for holding violators accountable and for supporting those impacted by war.